It's Wednesday, the 14th of February 2024. Welcome to the 72nd edition of the Ouria newsletter series, where we take a look at regenerative agriculture in Africa. Introduction. Regenerative agriculture is a farming practice that aims to restore and enhance the health of the soil, improve biodiversity, and promote the long-term sustainability of agricultural ecosystems. It involves the use of diverse crop rotations, cover cropping, organic inputs, and reduced tillage techniques. Effectiveness of regenerative agriculture in Africa. Regenerative agriculture has gained attention in Africa as a way to address the challenges of deforestation, soil erosion, and declining agricultural productivity. However, its effectiveness varies across different regions and contexts. Some of the potential challenges and limitations of implementing regenerative agriculture in Africa include limited access to resources such as organic inputs and machinery, lack of knowledge and awareness about regenerative practices among farmers, and the need for policy support and investment in research and training. Additionally, scaling up regenerative agriculture practices across large areas can be a complex task that requires collaboration and coordination among various stakeholders.
Regional analysis of regenerative agriculture in Africa. West Africa. In West Africa, regenerative agriculture has shown promising results. The use of cover crops and crop rotation has helped to rebuild soil fertility and reduce the need for inorganic fertilizers. Additionally, the adoption of agroforestry practices, such as intercropping of trees with crops, has increased biodiversity and contributed to improved soil health. Central Africa. Central Africa has implemented regenerative agriculture practices to address deforestation and soil degradation. The integration of trees into farming systems has helped restore biodiversity and create sustainable livelihoods for farmers. The use of organic inputs, such as compost and animal manure, has also improved soil fertility and increased crop yields. East Africa. In East Africa, regenerative agriculture has encountered challenges due to limited land availability, conflict, and water scarcity. However, the adoption of conservation agriculture and irrigation techniques has shown promise in restoring soil health and productivity. The use of organic fertilizers and mulching has also been beneficial in maintaining soil moisture and reducing soil erosion.
International best practices for improving regenerative agriculture in Africa. To improve the effectiveness of regenerative agriculture in Africa, the following international best practices can be adopted. 1. Soil conservation. Implementing practices such as cover cropping, mulching, and reduced tillage can help to conserve soil organic matter and reduce soil erosion. 2. Crop rotation. Rotating crops among different soil types helps to break up the soil structure and improve nutrient uptake. 3. Agroforestry. Integrating trees into cropping systems can provide shade, improve soil fertility, and enhance biodiversity. 4. Integrated pest management. Adopting natural pest control methods, such as crop rotation and biological control agents, can help to reduce the use of synthetic pesticides. 5. Organic inputs and fertilization. Utilizing organic fertilizers and compost can contribute to improved soil health and reduce reliance on synthetic inputs. 6. Water management. Implementing rainwater harvesting techniques, irrigation systems, and water-saving technologies can help to optimize water usage in agriculture.
7. Training and extension. Providing farmers with training, extension services, and financial support to adopt regenerative agriculture practices can contribute to its widespread adoption. One strategy to incentivize farmers to adopt regenerative agriculture is to provide financial incentives, such as subsidies or grants, for implementing regenerative practices. Another approach could be to establish certification programs or labels that recognize and reward farmers who practice regenerative agriculture. Additionally, offering technical support, training, and access to resources can help farmers overcome barriers and successfully transition to regenerative farming methods. 8. Policy and regulation. Supportive policies and regulations that promote regenerative agriculture practices and encourage farmers to adopt sustainable farming practices are essential for its long-term success. Conclusion. By adopting these international best practices, Africa can harness the potential of regenerative agriculture to achieve sustainable agricultural development and address the challenges of climate change, soil degradation, and food insecurity. If you would like to learn more, please contact us on any of the social media handles below. Quote of the week. Regenerative agriculture isn't a new concept. It's simply reverting to what the land was originally designed to do. Noble Research Institute.